Hi. In this video, we show you how easy it is to create your deck details from Isoteak teak sheets. Okay, look, we have 3 deck detail templates that we're going to use to cut our details from the sheet. Let's figure out what size sheet we need to make these 3 parts. Our 3 pieces will fit on a sheet measuring 190 by 57 centimeters. This is what a sheet of Isoteak synthetic teak looks like, which comes in rolls of the required sizes. We ordered a 200 by 60 centimeter sheet from which we will make our parts. Let's start making our parts. Place our templates on a sheet of teak and use a pencil to trace the contours of the parts. Here's what we'll need to make the parts: any heat dryer, a ruler, and a knife. To make the artificial teak easy to cut, you can heat it to a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius. Now we just cut out the parts along the marked outline. Here is our cutout piece from our template. Let's trim it to get a good look. If we want to round the corners of the piece, let's do it. We will use an 80 grit sanding disc to finish the ends, corners, and surface of the part. This is how we can smooth out the irregularities in the curve we cut by hand. Make the ends of the piece more rounded. Finally, lightly sand the surface of the piece to make it look more spectacular and resemble teak wood. Look at the details we've made. Use custom-sized Isoteak sheets that you can order from our online shop at isoteak.com, and good luck with your project.